So this is exactly how I was able to fix Waterpark Simulator crashing on console. So if you're also having that problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So you can see I have Waterpark Simulator here and I have a PlayStation 5. But if you have any other console, it works as well or should work as well. We need to firstly go into settings here, and then if you have users and accounts, click on it, and then other and restore licenses. Then select Waterpark Simulator and click on restore right here, as you can see. Not sure if you have that option or something similar on Xbox, but if you do, just click there. Then what we also need to do, we need to check our storage. So you can see here's console storage right here. So let's say that for me before, this was basically right here at the red mark, and it's like it told me that I need to free up storage. So I did that. Even though Waterpark Simulator is actually just 2 gigabytes, I think, you can still free up storage by just deleting one game, for example, that you're not playing anymore. So for example, this one right here. So if I click on this button here and click on delete, click on OK, you can see it should now be deleted, which is perfect. So one more thing, go into settings and then go into system here and system software. Then go into system software update and settings and make sure that your console is up to date. If it's not, just click here and make sure to update it. So basically that is exactly how I myself was able to fix it.